Welcome to Slingshots Exotics, man. We out here at Coleman Powersports in Falls-Church, Virginia, man. Come to pick up the sling and see if everything ready. But before we do that, we're gonna go and check out the showroom floor and see what's hit, what we got coming for y'all for 2021 and 2022. Let's go. I'm gonna check out the jet skis first. I'm kind of mad I got rid of them. Remember the Sea-Doo Spark today when I bought them? Kind of mad I got rid of them, but you know, we're gonna check out some more. See what we got. Little trail bike. Yami, man. Yami, they done said it all. Yami, I ain't gonna even hold you. From 2019 to 2021, Yami been holding it down. They've been holding it down. Before I was fucking with the Yamis, I was fucking with Sea-Doo Spark. Sea-Doo Spark, Sea-Doo Tricks, that's my shit. You know what I mean? You can't go wrong with that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have fun doing you some freestyle shit, some X Games shit on the water, you know, fun day on the water. The Sea-Doo Spark is the one.
This shit fire.
Coleman Powersports at Falls Church, man. Y'all make sure y'all come down here and check them out. They'll show you some love. And when you get here, you make sure you ask for Anthony, man. Anthony is the man, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see if my shit ready. You know what I'm saying? I got some maintenance work done. You know, blah, 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 blah. Let's see if it's ready. Let's go. There you go.
I have to pull that over there. They're just cleaning up on this for you.
All right.
They should be outside.
All right, appreciate it.
No problem.
They took the money back because I was waiting. Yeah, it was like over a month.
Because they probably can't make them fast enough.
Right.
They're sourcing them through.
Right. All right. So as soon as you come in, man, I'm gonna reach out to you, man.
Carlos told me to disconnect the underglows, which I just did. And I've been
Not all of them.
No, just the underglows.
Yeah.
And then I've been running it with the positive side of the battery on.
Okay.
Might have disconnected.
Yeah, I think you disconnected the wrong ones.
Are they on?
It's two sets that I had. And the ones that stay on permanently when you cut the car off was the ones that were supposed to be turned off.
Well, it's just one wire that they had coming in here.
Yeah, you disconnected the wrong one.
Here's what I would do if I was you. I'll connect these back up. What I would do?
If you just hook them back up, I just take it back to raw gadgets.
Well, then the other thing is, when you're at home, pull that positive lead off, and then your battery will never go dead.
Gotcha.
But if I put the cover on, you can have access to it.
What's the cover? That cover?
Alright, I'm gonna hook these back up.
This shit fire. How you feel, baby?
Back in business, baby, we got the baby back. See what she doing this on the highway. Oh, they blocked up. got? Slingshots Exotics. See what we got. Gotta let 'em warm up. Let 'em warm up. Yeah. Slingshots the motherfucking exotic. Yo, what it do? Welcome to Slingshots Exotics. We out here. Woke up about 7:30 this morning, man. I've been having this event planned for like 3 months, man, down at the Exotic Car Festival. They supposed to have the Lamborghini Countach in there that was in the movie Cannonball Run. Woke up, excited, you know what I'm saying? Then come around, fuck around. You can't even get to the, right there at the monument, at the Washington Monument at the mall, at the scene. Everything's blocked off. They having some type of like, almost like a Tour de France. You know what I mean? Cycling marathon, woo, whatever you want to call it, man. So since that happened, we down here and we just gonna kick it in, show y'all a little bit of the lifestyle, exotic lifestyles. Here we go, let's rock. Slingshots and Exotics. We out here, just an intermission, you know? Welcome to Slingshots and Exotic Lifestyles. We're about to get into it. Start the day. You heard? Boy, Slingshots and exotic lifestyle. Let's get it.
Danny?
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with me, baby? What's the matter with you?